Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have your dataset. Start by confirming every entry is numeric and then sort the list from smallest to largest. Once sorted, count n to decide the splitting rule. If n is even, split into two equal halves. If n is odd, exclude the median from both halves. This initial split matters because it determines which numbers form the lower and upper halves for quartile calculation. Make sure sorting is exact. Small errors here will shift quartiles, and now compute the medians of the lower and upper halves to obtain Q1 and Q3. If a half has an even number of values, take the average of its two middle numbers. If odd, take the middle number directly. For example, in a lower half of 5 numbers, the third value is Q1. In a half of 6, average the third and fourth. Once you have both quartiles, record them precisely. Decimal accuracy matters for the IQR and any subsequent comparisons or plots. Finally, subtract Q1 from Q3 to get the interquartile range. ICR equals Q3 minus Q1. This value measures the spread of the middle 50%, so higher IQR means more central variability. You can also use IQR to flag outliers. Anything below Q1 minus 1.5 times IQR or above Q3 plus 1.5 times IQR. If your IQR looks unexpected, recheck the sorted order and whether you correctly excluded the dataset median when splitting an odd-sized sample.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.